Meet James, a passionate doctor and a proud medical school graduate. Armed with his degree, a vision for better healthcare, and all the necessary approvals, he opens his own clinic. Business starts strong, patients come in, payments flow, and James feels like he's fulfilling his dream. But as the clinic grows, so do the challenges. Payments start getting delayed, claims pile up, and reconciliation becomes a nightmare. James spends hours chasing unprocessed transactions instead of focusing on his patients. Each month, delayed payments and manual errors cost James nearly $15,000 in lost revenue. Productivity drops as his staff struggles with inefficiency, and James considers hiring another admin just to keep up, an additional $40,000 burden annually. To make matters worse, the payment issues frustrate patients, impacting their experience and James's hard-earned reputation. That's when James found Paynova, the modern payment solution built for healthcare providers like him. With Paynova, James transformed his payment process. Claims that once took weeks are now automated and completed in days. Real-time payment processing eliminates delays, saving his clinic hours each week. Advanced security ensures patient data stays safe and compliant. By switching to Paynova, James saved $40,000 annually in administrative costs and reclaimed 20 hours a week, time he now spends doing what he loves, caring for patients. Don't let inefficiencies hold you back. Paynova simplifies payments, boosts revenue, and enhances patient satisfaction. Join the future of healthcare payments. Paynova, simplify payments, deliver care.